Hello friends, please welcome into the great initiative of Shadhin Trust to provide online education platform to students, and this is from Shadhin Trust Engineering College, Shantiniketan Institute of Polytechnic, Bolpur, West Bengal. Hello friends, due to unprecedented situation throughout the world, we have locked us down in the home for the betterment of us and for our safety. But we cannot lock down our progress and we must go ahead. You have to complete your courses and we have to meet up our syllabus completion target to make you more knowledgeable about your subject. So our college have initiated this online e-learning process to make you ready for your exams and future. Here we will cover the manufacturing process, and in today's video you will get the kinematic structure, working principle and application of central lathe. We will discuss this one in this video, and whatever the problem you will face, if you face any problem to understand any part of the thing, please let me know. I will provide you my WhatsApp number, my mail address, and you can also write down in the timeline, and accordingly you will be provided every answers. Okay. Then what is a lathe machine? A lathe is a machine tool that rotates a workpiece about an axis of rotation to perform various operations such as cutting, sanding, knurling, drilling, deformation, facing and turning with tools that are applied to the workpiece to create an object with symmetry about the axis. Lathe holds the workpiece between two rigid and strong supports called centers or in a chuck or faceplate which revolves. Okay. The cutting tool is rigidly held and supported in a tool post which is fed against the revolving work. The normal cutting operations are performed with the cutting tool fed either parallel or at right angles to the axis of the work. Then in working principle, if you want to understand properly, you please follow the below mentioned figure, and there you will find the two main parts of the lathe machine. That is, in the left side you will find headstock, and in the right side you will get tailstock. Then what is the working of this headstock and tailstock? The headstock is assembled with multi-geared motors. That motor performs the work of driving the machine. It works as a drive motor, and multi gears used to perform work in different position in different way and for different required results. It is also having the arrangement to hold the workpiece, and generally plates called chucks. Those are assembled with the live center. That chucks are nothing but rounded plates, heavy thick plates having the arrangements to hold the workpiece, and that chuck and the total system with the workpiece, it revolves round as per the drive direction mentioned in the figure. And what is the purpose of tailstock? Tailstock holds the workpiece from the other end and help the workpiece to move around the axis with proper dimension and with proper precision. And you will find the axis of the machine as shown in the below figure as the dotted lines, and with respect that axis, the all rotational movement of the machine is performed. And friends, the cutting tool is fed generally parallel or perpendicular to the axis, and in some specialty cases the cutting tool may also be fed at an angle relative to the axis or work for machining tapers and angles. If you want to perform some angular or tapered work, then the machine tool can be adjusted as per that required angle or taperedness. Next we will go with the different types of lathe machines. Their names have been given after their usability and the particular purpose they are catering. In this category, first we will get introduced to the central lathe. So we know lathe is a machine tool that carries out many machine shop tasks. The lathe holds and rotates workpiece about the center of these two parts. It can also machine a part between its headstock and tailstock centers. This is why we call it a central lathe. In early days, since these lathes were driven by steam engines, so called steam engine lathe also, and bench lathe is the best example of central lathe. Next, it is a tool room lathe. A tool room lathe is generally a high precision lathe having a gearbox in the headstock offering extended range of thread pitches and feeds. It is used for making precision components in the tool room. So, when we are going to make some precision components, then we use the tool room lathe, and these machines possess higher ranges of speed and feed, so can handle large size of materials and used for large production purpose. Next is coming special purpose lathes. These lathes are developed from the central lathe to cater to special forms of application which cannot be handled by the conventional central lathe. Okay friends, so special purpose lathe, that name is saying that these are for performing special sort of work and to apply for the special types of applications. These are copying lathe, gap bed lathe, hollow spindle lathe. These lathes are used to perform special for making specialty items. And capstan turret and automatic lathes are automatic form of lathes that cater to high rate production and thus used for very special applications. And friends, these are used in continuous production centers for producing huge quantity of materials in totally automatized environment. These lathes have the special features to help in improving the production rate and work unattended. The studies given in this session thoroughly, and in the next session we will provide you the detailed discussion about the different sections and workability of lathe machines. Okay friends, until then, have a good day and goodbye.